The left meter on my Revox B77 Mk2 failed and I had to think of a repair. Rather than pay an exorbitant price to Nagravox in Australia, 500 Australian dollars, I decided to find a better way. So I purchased two P-55B Panel Meters on eBay for £17.90. Once the meters arrived, I connected one to the tape recorder and fed a 1000 Hz 0.7 volt signal and checked it worked. The right hand meter is shown there, and now the new meter is working. Very pleased. I then had to remove the coil from the new meter, which required cutting the coil out complete with part of the case, as the contact and end of the spring were attached to the case. Next, I had to remove the coil from the old meter, which required cutting it out to make space for the new coil assembly to be inserted. And here's the new coil assembly fitted to the old meter, which was done using milliput epoxy resin putty. And you will see my meter had previously been modified with new LEDs and tinfoil chrome backing. Maybe not the best looking repair, but all of this is, as you say, under the skin. And here is the completed job. Please see the comments for additional details. Thank you for watching.